This is a solid soap bar and this is a whipped body scrub. Fluffy and gentle, it polishes the skin and makes it really silky. Do you want to know how to turn a solid soap bar into whipped body scrub? Let me show you. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Olga Larnudi. I'm a certified cosmetic chemist and natural cosmetics formulator. And here on my channel I share my recipes and my ideas. So if you want to learn how to make your own beauty products at home, don't forget to subscribe. Today I want to share with you a DIY recipe. This is not a professional formulation and you can very easily make the scrub at home. You only need 5 ingredients to make it: solid soap bar, glycerin, coconut butter, water and exfoliant. And you can also add a few drops of essential oils of choice if you want to. It is a simple product, but it looks lovely in a jar and it makes a perfect DIY gift. The main ingredient of our scrub is the soap. I will be using unscented natural Marseille soap, but you can use any solid soap as long as it is made from coconut or palm oil, so you have to look for white or creamy soap bars. Today in stores you can find a soap made from a palm oil which was produced in a responsible manner. If still you want to avoid palm oil-based products, look for coconut oil soap, shea butter oil soap, and likewise for this particular project you have to look for a soap which was made with saturated fatty acids. So olive oil based soap or sweet almond based soap won't work. Take your soap, grate it, and then add some water. I took 50 grams of soap shavings and 100 grams of water. Now heat this mixture over low heat until the soap completely dissolves. While the soap is melting, I'll weight up the rest of the ingredients. I will take some coconut oil, glycerin, and then mix in my essential oils. Okay, the soap has completely dissolved. Now I let it cool slightly and then mix in my oils and glycerin. And now place the mixture in a cold water bath and whip it with a hand mixer. You can see the mixture slowly turning creamy and it looks more and more like whipped cream. There you have it. The base of our scrub is ready. And now we just need to add the exfoliant. An exfoliant is a solid particle that polishes your skin when you apply your scrub. For this project you can use any kind of exfoliants except for sugar and salt, because sugar and salt will dissolve in your base. You can use a powder of nutshells, jojoba beans, you can take ground coffee if you want, poppy seeds, you can take strawberry seeds. Basically you can use whatever you have in your kitchen. This scrub is so nice to use in the shower. It spreads easily on the skin, it lathers really well, and it washes away easily, leaving the skin smooth and soft. As I said at the beginning, this is not a professional formulation, it's a DIY project, and this product will not have a long shelf life, so it's better to use it within 1 month. And if you want to give the scrub, don't forget to put it into a nice looking jar with cute label and your best wishes. I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope you're gonna like my recipe, or at least you're gonna try it. If you still have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and see you next time.